This is a construction site in Kenya where they are actually building homes for the local community. But the craziest part is that a huge accident happens here, costing millions of dollars in damages. However, luckily no people were actually injured or hurt at all for that matter. As you can see, at first it went smoothly. They excavated the ground and filled it into the truck. However, it quickly became apparent that the rubble was building up around the base of the crane at an alarming rate. At one point, it became so much that the truck began to tilt and was badly damaged. To minimize any damage occurring, what they did is they got an excavator to clean out all of the debris around it, then used the crane to lift the truck back up.